What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to increase your FPS and prevent lag while playing Free Fire on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. Open up the game and navigate to your settings. Here in the basic section, make sure to lower the graphics setting to smooth. Turn off shadows, and in the other section make sure to clear the browser cache if you haven't done this in a while. Next, close the game and all applications running in the background. This should in any case improve your performance as more resources are allocated to playing the game rather than other apps. When this is done, open up your settings application. Here in the general section, tap on Background App Refresh. I suggest turning this setting off while in game. You can also select individual applications if you want to. Back in your general settings, select Storage. Here, make sure that you have enough storage left. I suggest leaving at least 200 MB of storage to keep a stable gaming experience. If nothing helped, then make sure that your device is up to date and restart your device if you haven't done this in a while. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.